Today I'm going to show you. In this presentation we are going to learn about analysis of 2024 election using Power BI, and I am Merlin. So the objective for this project is to analyze the 2024 election data to gain insights into election results and party performance and voter trends. And here we'll use Power BI to create interactive visualization and dashboards. Okay. And this is the data whichever they have given. This is the parameter which is present there. They have given ID, state, constitution number, constituency name, and leading candidate, leading party, trailing, and all. And this is a party alliance data is the second data set. So total two data set they have given. So the first thing is we have to do data integration. The first we have to combine the election results data with the party alliance data, and next one is merging leading party and trailing party with party name to get the alliance name. So the step by step process is first load both data sets into the Power BI and perform a merge or join operation on the leading party and trailing party columns from the election results data with the party name column from the party alliance data. Okay, so the first step is over. And second one is cleaning, data cleaning. As you all know, as this is a real-time data set and it may have a missing values or null values and all. So we are going to first identify missing values in critical columns like state, constituency, leading candidate and all. And the second thing is correct inconsistency to ensure the consistency in party names and other categorical. And next one is validation, cross-checking the data against any known benchmarks. Okay. So the third, after all this process, pre-processing done, here is the results. So first of all, we are going to get the result for summary of total seats won by each party and alliances. So this is the result. Okay. And the second one is state-wise analysis, performance of leading parties and all. We are going to make each graph. Okay, we are going to visualize this with using the graph. So the first thing it represents the missing values. Here you are going to view the column distribution. This is mainly useful for creating the missing values and eliminating the missing values, and also the type of the distribution and the data type parameters and all here will be displayed here in this graph. And this is the overall dashboard we have created by creating small graphs by trailing party, first state by constituency and margin, and sum of constitution number and constitution number by leading candidates and all. So the second graph represents the overall dashboards we have created. Okay, and next one is the recommendation. They have asked about overall giving the dashboards and graphs and all, analyzing it. We have to give the recommendation. So based on the insights derived from the analysis, some of the recommendations to improve their performance in further election is: first one is strengthening the alliances. The first one is NDA and India alliances. Focus on consolidating and strengthening alliances. And second is target campaign strategies. Okay, so to develop target campaign addressing regional issues and concerns and all. Okay, and third one is address voter concerns. So address key voters concerns such as unemployment, healthcare, education, municipality, corporation, and etc. and all. Okay, and mainly focus on two things. The first one is engage with youth and first time voters, because youth and first time voters are not like, they will be confused where they can vote. So create initiatives to engage with young and first time voters, and use social medias and digital platforms to connect with younger demographics. Okay, and the second to focus on is improve voter outreach, that is community engagement. Enhance voter outreach programs to enhance voter participation. Okay, and this is the overall performance I have analyzed by creating a dashboards and graphs and all. The first one is total constituencies owned by each alliances is, the first one is owned by NDA, India and independent. the subscription is given here. And regional performance also I have mentioned here. In north region what are the performance, and in south region where is the performance, who is dominating, and in eastern and western and all. And also the close contest is also, uh, I have narrow regions of victories and indicating potential regions I have created. So that's all. Thank you so much.